Different camera, more zoom. Yeah. Maybe this one will go viral. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all, we got up to 5,000 views on my channel. Thank y'all for looking at it and watching it, commenting, and what have you. Well, that didn't last long. That sure was pretty. May God continue to bless America, folks, and y'all. Have a great day.